Are you making listings for your printables and then sitting and waiting for the sales to come in, but they're not coming in, or maybe just not enough? In this video, I'm going to tell you an easy way that you can start making a lot more sales on your printables, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it. Hi, I'm Cassie. Welcome to my channel where I share tips to help you make passive income. Having your customers or potential customers' email addresses is such an easy way to make a ton more sales on your printables. This is really the key to making the money that you want in your printables business. But how do you go about getting your customers' email addresses or your potential customers' email addresses? So if you sell on Shopify, you can find a list of your previous customers under customers on the left-hand side on Shopify. And in that list, you can see which ones have subscribed and which ones have not subscribed. And then if you go down to marketing, you can actually send emails straight from Shopify to your previous customers. But on Etsy, you don't have access to your customers' email addresses. How can we go about getting those and still follow the rules? So the way you can do this is you can set up a coupon code. And you can do this right in Etsy under the marketing tab. Or you can also make a free printable to give as an incentive to get on your email list. Then what you want to do is set up a simple sign up form on an email service provider. The one I like to use is MailerLite, and that is because they offer a free account up to 2,000 subscribers, and also they have automated emails on the free account. So when you set up the coupon code and make an email for that, it can get automatically sent to your customers. So you're not having to manually send a customer the coupon code every time that they give their email address. So if you guys want to check out MailerLite, I'll have a link in the description for you to get your free account set up. Then once you have that set up to where your customer can put in their email address and get the coupon code emailed to them, or the freebie or whatever you decide to send them, then you want to just get the link for your sign up form, and you're going to put that everywhere you possibly can. You're going to put it in your Etsy photos, in your Etsy listing descriptions, in your Etsy banner, in your Etsy shop announcement, on Shopify on your homepage. You can put it in your Shopify listings also. And another thing you can do is you can put it in your actual printable. So you could put an extra page attached on Etsy or whatever, an extra PDF that has a link to your freebie. And then once you have their email addresses, you want to stay in contact with them. And I was always a little bit confused about, what do I send people? I mean, do I just send them when I make something new, or just send them when I have a sale going on or something like that? So I recommend emailing your list once a week, and you can set this up ahead of time to go out in MailerLite, and they'll just automatically send it at whatever time you schedule it, whatever day you schedule. So here's what I recommend is send an email about either a product that you've just listed or something that applies to whatever season or holidays coming up or whatever, something that's relevant to them, and then show them how to use it or show them how cute it looks in certain situations. So let's take this for example. Let's do like a Valentine card that's for Starburst candies, let's say. You could take some photos of it and show what it looks like. They could even be from your listing, but I would say if you have photos with the actual Starburst on there so that it looks cute. And then tell them different ways that they could use it, like different events that they could use it for. So like say the class Valentine exchange, or if they have like Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, or if their kids are in dance, they could do Valentine's for the dance class. Just different ways that they can use your product that's going to benefit them. And that's another thing. If there are certain benefits, you can make sure to point those out too. So like for instance, this Starburst Valentine card will have you looking like Mom of the Year when your kids take it to their class Valentine exchange. They won't be getting these boring little Valentine cards. And if you want to offer a discount for like a new product or some, holiday product or something like that, offer a discount. But if you want to do that, be sure to have a deadline on it. So, you can give them a coupon code that will last X amount of time, or say it's on sale in my shop until whatever day. This makes them want to buy it like right away. Otherwise, they're going to miss out on the sale. So how amazing would that be to basically have cash on demand? Anytime you want to make extra money, you just have to send an email to your list and you get more sales. Or when you put up a new Etsy listing and you want to get more traffic to it so it gets boosted up in the algorithm, all you have to do is send an email to your list and drive more traffic to it so that it gets boosted up. This is how you take control of your business and make the money that you want to make. And speaking of taking control of your business, if you're interested in taking control of your business, I'm offering a training that's going to be coming up in a few weeks. I'm opening it up to only 15 students, and it's going to be half price. I'll teach you everything you need to know to have a profitable printables business, including how to make tons of different kinds of printables, how to set up your Etsy shop, how to set up a Shopify store, how to make your listings, how to do your photos, how to market your business. It's all going to be in there. For this first round, we'll be working really closely together, and each module will be dripped out week by week, and we'll work our way through it and answer any questions you might have or anything like that. So if that sounds like something that you would like to get in on, be sure to get on the wait list. It's only going to be a few weeks from now, and you'll be the first to find out when it opens up, and you'll be the first to have a chance at one of those 15 spots that open. There'll be a link in the description, but you can also go to passivelyEverAfter.com and get signed up for the wait list. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.